said that are no number 3, you are screwed.
Yeah!
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I hate this game already!
He got spooked by it.
I'm so sorry.
It would be like a
Bad
whole
girl.
180 degrees.
Oh, did you guys see
Oh,
that?
shit.
Oh, yeah!
Oh!
Hey, shit. No, it's just...
Ah!
What? Oh. Oh.
What?
Ike?
Oh no.
What?
Oh my god.
Wait, what happened?
What?
I got
What
jump scared.
What happened over here?
Oh.
Yeah. And then there's these statues. Yes! That one got me too. You gotta fucking catch me
What
first.
does that mean?
You know what I mean.
Catch me.
No, I know and I don't...
Why is there so many ducks? Like, the duck is like everywhere. Help! Oh wait, what?
Am I dead? Man, I'm dead.
I'm dead too.
Hey, I'm on the ground. Ike, you gotta pick me up. Ike,
Someone. Oh,
Ike, pick me up.
don't.
Pick me up, Ike. Ike, pick me up.
Let it get the fuck out of here first.
Ike, pick me up.
Hello? I'm about to die. I'm bleeding out. I'm bleeding out.
No,
Oh my god,
Ike,
I'm
you
dead.
almost got me.
Oh, I'm revived.
No, I'm dead.
Fuck you.